Hello everyone, you are welcome to Delicious Kitchen. I'm so happy to have you all here. Today guys, we are making roasted plantain air fryer method. You need to try this. This is healthy and delicious. So guys, all you need is your plantain. The plantain you'll be using, guys, you just need to peel the plantain at this stage. You can see I'll be using not fully ripe plantain. You can use unripe, you can use ripe one. This is not fully ripe. I love it this way. So all you need to do is just peel the skin of your plantain. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please do so now. Remember to subscribe, turn on your notifications as well, like the video, and of course share it. Thank you for watching. Continue, please. So after peeling the plantain, you now just need to get your air fryer. Simple as that. Get your air fryer and place your plantain in the air fryer. This can take up to 4 plantains, okay? But I'm just using 2. I'm using only 2. Now place it back into the air fryer and now turn it on and air fry the plantain at 200 centigrade for 15 minutes. So guys, after 10 minutes, top it and just bring it out and turn it over. Just flip it over because we want everything to be fully done. If you leave it throughout for 15 minutes like that, one side will be more done than the other one. Just flip it over after 10 minutes and continue with the rest 5 minutes. Put it back into the air fryer and air fry the rest 5 minutes. Just 15 minutes all together. So after that, bring it out. This is how it came out. The aroma here is super and you now need to taste it. Guys, serve it with granuts. This is how we enjoy it back at home then. You will need to try this. Just try this and thank me later. This is easy, simple and delicious and came out perfect. Can you see the inside? Can you see? It's super hot and super delicious. Thank you so much guys. Thank you for watching. Please, if you haven't subscribed, remember to do so. I want to see you next week when I'll be uploading another new video. Remember to turn on your notifications as well so that you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. Thank you so much. Stay blessed. Stay safe. See you next week. Thank you to you, my subscribers and all my friends out there. Love you all. Bye.